I think you have to have a familiarity with what you know, but a lot of that familiarity can be done through research or imagination or talking to others. Certainly, I put a lot of myself in the character of Kayla emotionally. Her situation was different than mine, but I feel like by talking to people who have lived those realities and also doing research, I feel like that was other ways to get the stories, and certainly just the imagination of putting yourself in somebody else's shoes. So I would say it's definitely a combination in my case,
Yeah.
and I think that's a very healthy combination to have
Yeah.
as you write.